Saya. Oh.
Measure the baby approximately. I think the baby is more than 14.
Small baby. Mommy's almost to become bigger, mommy.
No, I think the baby is more than 14 weeks. Wait. No,
She's
maybe
in your tummy.
13, 14.
See the baby stuff, Mom.
Nice, all good, dear. These are the legs of the baby, nicely formed. The hands, the heart which is beating here. Everything looks good. Okay. So we can get the scan done today itself. Can you please come at 3:40 p.m.?
No, I cannot.
Yeah, you're not allowed to see anything.
Do you see anything? Okay, just wait there. Don't move.
So,
This is Bunso.
this is Bunso's photo. Okay, just hold it. Hold it here. Careful. You excited?
And so guys, today is the day.
We're going to reveal our Bunso's gender to Ate Zoe.
So disclaimer lang, alam na namin yung gender, pero si Zoe hindi pa.
Baby
I'm on my 8 months now. Daddy first. Ganun natin lang. Para isang kamay na lang may ano. May paint. Wait. Wait, Zoe. Ayan na. Baka magiging reaction nito. Okay, wait. Are you ready? Okay, wait ah. Ganda mo, Hana.
One.
Wait. Up. Go. Malalaman mo na inabit. Are you excited? Parang kinakabahan ka.
Are you nervous?
Ah.
Okay. Oh.
Wait. Wait. Ayan na. Are you
Okay.
ready?
You ready?
1, 2,
Remove
3.
your blindfold. Oh,
What
so
is it?
she's a girl. I'll say hi to her. Bunso. Hi, Mommy. Baby Bunso is a girl.
It's a girl.
Are you happy?
You're gonna be ate.
You can share your dolls to Baby Bunso. Oh, look. Oh, it's so nice naman your shirt.
Yeah.
Daddy, where did you get that?
So, you want also?
Where did you get that thing?
It's with Mommy.
Yeah, I get it from your painting kit.
See? That's Mommy and Daddy's
And
dance.
finally, success. Are you happy that it's a girl? That is your choice, right? That is your choice, right? Yeah. Mga anak ng buntis. Zoe, kasama ko si Zoe and si Dada. Ito na kami sa International Modern Hospital. Grabe, every 5 minutes yung contraction. Sakit! You speak.
Andito kami kay Mami ko. We're going to the emergency.
Yeah, we're going to deliver our bunso. We're so excited.
We're so excited to see if it's baby Bunso or a girl or a boy.
We still don't know. It's a girl. Yeah. You're gonna be ate.
I'm gonna be out to the... I will feed her 100.
Okay. Ito na ako sa labor room. So, nasukan ako ng liquid sa pet para daw ilabas ko lahat ng taihin ko. Para during delivery, hindi siya sumabay. Sobrang sakit. Oh, bunso, huwag mo akong pahirapan.
Dito na lang ako kukuha. Dito maliit. Tingnan mo ang ugat mo. Kumpara mo sa ugat ko. Maliit mo. Kasi kukuha pa ako ng dugo.
dito
na
ba?
pinsil. Dyan, sa malaki tayo.
Dito na lang tayo.
Sige, sige.
Dito na lang. Para sigurado.
Dyan tayo sa
Ang sakit din ah, kadalawa ka na eh.
Tingnan mo, di talaga pumapasok. Kasi kapag may pumasok yan, tududugo yan. Kasi dugo, ugat talaga yung tinilong. Maliit. Dito tayo sa malaki.
A few moments later.
Sumakses na ako. Ah, there? Okay, better, better.
Yes, better.
Kasi nakanganga si baby. Kanina pa yung ngumanganga. Ngumanganga, tapos lingon ng lingon, naghahanap ng dede. Ganyan yung pag ang baby naghahanap ng dede.
Hey, 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 hey.
Sige na, breastfeed na kay mami.
First, dudo. Thank you, Lord, nakaraos din.
Babar ka nga eh.
After dudo, barfing.
Sarap ng tulog niya. Nakatulog na eh.
Oh, nga. Ano? Busog na eh.
Oh, ikaw ang dumighay.
Kaya na lang.
Thank you po. So, lalabas na kami ng
Wala.
labor room. Punta na kami sa room ko mismo. At naghihintay ng mga bisita. Puro excited sila. Ayan si titang aking kasama. So, dumaan kami ng nursery room. Check namin kung pwede namin kunin si baby. Ay, tulog! Pwede na natin kuhanin?
Sobrang init.
Mali yung pangalan ko, oh. Kulang ng G.
Hindi kasi nga, sobrang init na doon sa
Incubator. Wala, ba't naman ganun? Kunin natin?
Hindi, maya. Liliguan pa.
I'm coming na.
Bukas niya na maanuhan. Kasi
Zoe!
yung nurse niya nasa cesarean naman, nasa CS. Buti na lang kamo nga. At
Ay, ang dami kong
na,
bisita
hindi
dito.
tumaasikaso.
Si Jean pala yung nandito eh. Wow! Baby shark, shark, shark. Hi! Thank you. So cute!
Lidsart? Lidsart din.
Zoe! Say hi to your baby bunso.
Kuha ng
Can I touch you?
Yeah. Ah, baby Jean, look at my baby bunso. Oo.
Hindi masyadong malabo yung ulo, no?
Hindi, mabilis lang siya lumabas eh. Yan, kunot na naman ang no.
Si Baby Jun. Dito sa kabila.
Oh, look at my baby. Look at my baby na.
Tawa siya eh.
Oh. It's not a toy, ha? It's not a toy.
Oh, careful, Zoe. Zoe, careful.
Uy, uy, uy.
Sige, awan.
Nak, that's the baby bones always kicking at night.
Yeah.
Ala, baka-protective naman ito.
Gusto mo tumabi?
Wala si Ellie.
Ala. Nak, look at the baby bonso.
Only Baby Jin. You like the baby?
Sleeper, no?
Naulit.
Sleepy.
You're cutting.
Umiyak na yan.
A few moments later.
today we're just staying at the hospital. But my baby's already going out. It's like, look at those. She's so cute.
Na,
It's so
huwag
cute.
mong daganan, baka di makahinga. It's so cute naman na baby. Oh, see, huwag mong daganan na. Good night. We're going to sleep na.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Good morning. Good morning. Tulog pa. This is my breakfast. Tea. Katatapos lang magdudu. Barfing time.
A few moments later.
Ayan, ang ate Zoe ang nagapadudu sa baby. Hindi na yung mapasok. Naku, gutom. Sabi kasi gutom na eh. Ola. Ay, sagap-sap na eh. We are going home. Thank you, IMH. Thank you, Dr. Mira. Thank you for the stuff. And see my baby. Look, say bye-bye. Uwian na. Ano sabi? Going home. Thank you for watching, guys.